Hiya, Ben here from the Maths Centre for Excellence at City College Plymouth. Welcome to another episode of Is It Maths or Is It Magic? You may be aware that it's Mental Health Awareness Week this week, but what you might not know is that maths is actually good for you. So studies have shown that the memory-based maths stimulates a part of the brain called the dorsolateral prefrontal cortex, and higher activities in these areas are actually linked with fewer symptoms of anxiety and depression. So, maths secretly good for you. With that in mind, try this little magic trick on for size. Think of a number, any number you want. Now multiply it by 3. Add on 6. Now divide it by 3 and take away your original number. And you should be left with 2. Hope you enjoyed this little video and check out the amazing resources at www.mentalhealth.org.uk. Stay safe, stay well, and we'll see you at the next video. Cheers!